I would like to become a hybrid with a vegetal or a plant. You know, I've been using these technologies, you know, these filters, digital filters, to try to hybridize myself and to try to imagine myself as a plant. And I really actually like it a lot. And actually, you know why? Because, you know, a plant uh, needs the sun to get nourished and to make the photosynthesis. And imagine that we could get nourished from our skin, just sunbathing. So be, uh, we wouldn't have to go shopping, right? Or shopping that much, maybe. And I don't know, maybe imagine that we become fungi and we can uh, allow the dialogue underground for all the forest and help them the other plants have their minerals and nutrients, but at the same time we could keep all their secrets and gossips because we know what they're talking about. And so we become a super powerful agent of the forest. And yeah, I don't know, I think I would like to be, for example, like the moss that I have behind me.
Yeah.
I would really like to become a little bit more like a moss because they live super long time and they are witness of all the changes in their environment because they live so long and they are highly efficient. They adapt to any conditions. They can adapt to harsh conditions, to very sweet, cozy, warm, humid conditions. Um, and they were actually the first plant to jump out of the ocean to start growing on Earth. So I think it's like our kind of ancestor in a way. So I would like to become a little bit more like a mouse.
Uh, I kind of like that sort of idea. Then, uh, if we just look like normal humans, but we had photosynthesizing technology in our skin, then it wouldn't like even poor people would get some nourishment at least every day if there wasn't if there was sunlight, because uh, plants need the sun to like make their food. So there will be literally no poverty. Then money would have no use because people use money to buy foods and things that they like and stuff like that. But in those sorts of worlds where people just eat stuff, the money would have literally no value.